Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a beauty effect to your videos on Prequel. So select beauty and wait for the app to detect the face. Here you can smoothen out your face by pressing this button here. And then once you're done, you're gonna press the checkmark button. You can also change the width of your face, the angle too, and then the nose, the size. Some of them is premium, the one with the star. You can also change the eyes, the details, and then there's also teeth and lips to make it, I guess, taller. I don't know, bigger, and also like the mouth wider. And then that's basically it. I didn't really do anything because Taylor Swift is perfect, of course. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!